Hello and welcome to WebMeet. This tutorial shows you how to use present slides to engage your guests with slide decks, PDFs, and images without screen share, downloads, or distractions. Have you ever screen shared and worried that a tab, a notification, or laggy video would kill the moment? What if you could show a slide deck with total confidence, even on weak Wi-Fi, without ever having to share your desktop? Present Slides is like having a built-in stage inside your meeting room. You don't drag your messy desktop onto the stage. WebMeet shows only the content you choose in crystal clear quality, with no downloads or installation of browser extensions or software. Once you're logged into a meeting, click Home, then select Present Slides. Here's what makes WebMeet show ready. Anything you upload here stays in your room until you delete it. That means you're not tied to one laptop, one office, or one device. Your slide decks, PDFs, Word docs, and images are ready from any internet-connected device, so you can run the same professional presentation every time. Think of it like a backstage green room. You set up your materials once. Then you walk on stage whenever it's time to engage guests with your content. To upload a slide deck, Word doc, PDF, or images, click Upload. Choose the file from your computer, then click Open. In a few seconds, depending on how many pages are contained in the file you selected, your content will be processed and ready to show in your meetings. To show any content, click the Select to Present button. Now watch what happens. In seconds, every guest sees exactly what you're showing, without screen share, without desktop risk, and without the bandwidth hit that makes other platforms stutter. As the meeting host, only you will see these controls across the top that allow you to navigate pages, point to and highlight content, and annotate to keep attention locked in. Guests don't see your controls, they only see the presentation. You can navigate by clicking the thumbnails, the page controls, or the left and right arrow keys on your keyboard. Here's one of the biggest reasons Present Slides works so well for teaching, selling, and onboarding. On most meeting platforms, the host will mistakenly keep live video running alongside the deck. This creates distraction and constantly competes for guests' attention. People watch faces, movement, background activity, and they miss your message. WebMeet prevents that common mistake by keeping live cameras off while showing content, so guests can only focus on the visuals you worked hard to create and they remember what you said. When you need visual face-to-face discussion or reactions, you simply switch back to Video Roundtable for a moment, then jump right back into the deck. This keeps your meetings structured, clean, and memorable. To transition instantly to any other content you want to show, click Select a File, then make your selection. When you're ready to stop showing the content and switch to something else, click Stop Present. You'll see two options. Stay on Present Slides, so you can choose a different deck or document, or return to Video Roundtable to re-engage face-to-face for questions and answers, or to discuss next steps. That's Present Slides. Upload once, show from anywhere, keep guests focused, and transition like a pro in 2 clicks. Next, upload your slide deck. Run a quick practice walkthrough, and you'll be ready to lead meetings that look polished, feel effortless, and work even on weak Wi-Fi. In closing, if you're building a team or organization, how important is it that a brand new member can show up and look polished the very first time they're in front of people? Because the sooner they can arrive ready and present confidently, the quicker their belief locks in, and that's what accelerates duplication and team growth. Thank you for your interest in WebMeet. And thanks for watching.